In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom contact form 7 in Elementor, full guide. By the end, you'll have a clean, customized contact form ready to use in your Elementor designs with the essential settings dialed in for reliable delivery. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard with an account that has administrator access. From the left-hand menu, open Plugins, then choose Add New. In the search bar, type Contact Form 7. Locate the official plugin and click Install Now, then Activate. This gives your site a lightweight, flexible form builder that works seamlessly alongside Elementor. Once the plugin is active, look for the new contact menu item in your dashboard, click it to open the form manager. Here, you can create a new form or open the default starter form. When you open a form, you'll see a basic template that usually includes fields like name, email, subject, and message. This is your foundation, and you can rename the form at the top to keep things organized. Customize the fields to suit your needs. In the Form tab, you can add or remove fields, adjust labels, and mark important fields as required. Keep your labels clear and concise so visitors know exactly what to enter. If you need more than the basics, you can insert additional field types like phone numbers, drop-downs, checkboxes, or acceptance fields. Keep the form as short as possible while still collecting the information you truly need. Shorter forms generally convert better. Next, configure how emails are delivered. In the Mail tab, set the recipient address where messages should arrive, choose a clear subject line, and include the form tags in the message body so all submitted details are captured. For better deliverability, set the From Address to use your site's domain and avoid free webmail senders. You can also customize confirmation messages and error prompts in the Messages tab so users know exactly what happened when they submit. When you're happy with the layout and settings, save your form. At this point, your custom contact form 7 is ready for Elementor. You'll use this save form inside your Elementor layout so it matches the rest of your page design. That's the full process. Install contact form 7, open the contact area, create or open the default form, and tailor the fields and mail settings to match your goals. Save your changes, and your custom form is ready to be placed in your Elementor build whenever you design the page.